Tragic love life of Deepika Padukone. Nihar Pandya. A leading lady of Bollywood, Deepika has some tragic love affairs. Her first boyfriend was Nihar Pandya. Deepika met Nihar Pandya at an acting school when she came to Mumbai at her initial days. They were in a live-in relationship for almost 3 years until 2007 when Deepika got her big break. Deepika got her big break in Bollywood with Om Shanti Om, and for her sudden fame affected their relationship. Unfortunately, Nihar and Deepika broke up with each other. Nihar is now settled with his partner Neeti Mohan. Upen Patel. After Nihar, Deepika started seeing his hot model turned actor for a very short period of time. Both were struggling model that time and wanted to step into Bollywood. When they were seriously dating, Upen got his first break in Bollywood. Upen even introduced Deepika to many famous advertising makers and helped her to enter the B-town. But unfortunately, this relationship of Deepika also didn't work out and they ended their relationship too. MS Dhoni. Being a sports person, Deepika has a special weakness for sportsmen. Deepika and our former captain Dhoni met on a modeling show and they became friends. Soon their friendship turned into a budding romance and they started dating each other. According to report, Dhoni invited Deepika to a 2020 match and also proposed her. Rumors went around that they were engaged and probably would get married soon. They never confessed their relationship in public and the whole thing just changed when started dating another cricketer. Yuvraj Singh. Deepika dated this cricketer too, but not for a long period of time. Rumors were doing around that this cricketer and Deepika were engaged. Deepika celebrated her 22nd birthday with Yuvraj Singh in Australia. She even hosted Yuvraj's birthday party at her Mumbai residence. The families were also involved and quite happy with their relationship. There were even rumors about their marriage too. But unfortunately, these two lovebirds broke up after dating some months. Siddharth Mallya. This love affair made headline in Bollywood. Deepika Padukone and the son of business tycoon Vijay Mallya dated for some days. Siddharth arranged a big birthday party for his gorgeous actress. Deepika even attended every event organized by Kingfisher. They were spotted everywhere together in Tinseltown. Deepika even attended many IPL matches with this rich boyfriend. They were even spotted getting close in front of camera. They ended their relationship after 2 years of dating each other. Muzammil Ibrahim. This is one of the low-key love affairs of Deepika Padukone. Muzammil was a model who turned actor who had a flop Bollywood career. He was also dated by the ruling queen of silver screen, Bollywood, Deepika. They dated for a very short period and never admitted about their relationship openly about their relation even after their breakup. Ranbir Kapoor. This is the most controversial love affair in Deepika's life. Deepika and Ranbir met during the set of Bachna Hai Hasino. These two superstars started their Bollywood journey in the same year with Om Shanti Om and Saawariya respectively. They were almost lovable and cute couple of Bollywood and Deepika always expressed her love for Ranbir in front of media. They dated around for 2 years and they even moved in together. After staying together, Ranbir dumped Deepika for another actress, Katrina Kaif. Deepika couldn't handle the rejection and was really heartbroken. She was suffering from depression. Ranveer Singh. Deepika is now happily married to her love, Ranveer Singh. Both stars met at an event and their small meeting turned into a lifetime affair.